Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I got an air fryer. I had an interview with Mr. Cast Iron on last Sunday, and he asked about what kitchen gadget that I wanted that I don't have, and I said air fryer, which caused a lot of chuckles, I guess, but my husband was watching the interview and he bought me an air fryer. I'm so excited. The main benefit to having an air fryer is that you can have fried foods, but it doesn't have all that added fat. I love fried foods, but I stay away from them. It upsets my tummy, and so therefore I don't eat fried foods. So I've been reading all the little guides that come with it, and it's digital, which is a bonus. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got a fry rack and this little base pan. And this is a little divider that you can put in here so that if you're cooking two things, you can divide them. I think it's great. And then it also comes with this probe. And the probe, so it attaches right there, and then you can probe your food to see if it's at the right temperature. I don't see how this can mess up, but we'll see. But I need your help. So it came with this cookbook, and in the cookbook had many different recipes, but I concentrated on recipes that would be a fried food. And so one of the recipes that they have is this air fried shrimp with cocktail sauce. I guess where I'm going with this is I want you to help me pick what I'm going to make first. The other thing was these Cajun roasted potatoes. I know these aren't fried, but I want to try out potatoes. Nice picture there. The next one is a chicken fajita egg roll. These look really good. Crab Rangoon. Fried pickles. Who's ever had a fried pickle? Let me know in the comments if you've ever had a fried pickle. Mozzarella sticks. They don't have a picture of this, but fried mozzarella sticks. Spiced avocado fries with a Creole sauce. So I'm going to leave all these recipes in the description below, and that way you can look at them and help me. And what would you want me to make first? What's your favorite? And whichever of these recipes gets the most votes in my comments is what I'll do first. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to go to the comments and tell me what recipe you want me to try first. I'm really excited. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing. Have a great day.